Hey guys, welcome to Devlog number 3 of Menagerie. And before we get started, I just want you guys to remember to go and follow my Twitter for daily updates, mostly daily updates, on development of my game. So let's get started. As you may notice, the resources look a bit different, and that's because all of them got deleted from some glitch, so I had to replace all of them. And let me know, does this map look better than the previous one? Yeah, if it doesn't look as good, I'm not gonna change it because I couldn't be bothered. But let's get started with the first thing I did these past 2 weeks actually. So as you can probably tell from the title, I made a crafting system. As you can see, there's two tabs up here. The left one is for the inventory and the right one is for the crafting. So on the left side you have the crafting items that you can craft, and on the right you see the requirements. So I've put in the pickaxes and axes, not the iron ones because those will not be able to be crafted in the player inventory. And I have the structures, as you could probably also tell from the title. So these structures don't have a resource requirement because for testing purposes I couldn't be bothered farming everything, but for you guys I'll show you how crafting works. So let's just harvest 5 wood, easy. We have 6 wood, we craft it, and then you have a wooden axe and 1 wood. And then from last video, you know, the wooden axe harvests more than the hands, and yeah. And I don't really need to show the stone, but you're probably wondering about the building system. So let's just get a couple of these structures and put them in our inventory, and then as you can see, when you equip the structure, it spawns in front of you and it's green, or if you can't place it, it's red, just like that. And you can rotate it by 15 degrees. Let me know if you guys want me to like increase it to like 30 degrees increments, or like to 0 or 1 degree increments. But I mean 15 seems fairly good. But when you click, you can place it, and you instantly, if you have another like structure of that same type in that slot, then it'll spawn another one, and then once you run out, you can't place anymore, which would make sense. So as you also saw, there is snapping. It's not perfect, but it's decent enough for now. It took like 1 week to do it, but if you're wondering about how the snapping actually works, it uses these sockets. So as you can see in the ceiling, I have these 4 sockets prefixed with C, and basically any sockets that have the same letter can snap together. Like the ceiling can snap with the C socket up here at the top of the wall, but it won't be able to snap with like any of these other sockets, and the B sockets in the floor can snap with the B socket on the wall, but not on the C sockets of the ceiling. So that's a pretty neat and modular way for creating snapping. And oh yeah, so for the crafting, everything's controlled by this crafting table, the data table, and you basically specify what the crafting item is, and then the resource required for it, and the amount required, or the amount of that resource required, how much crafts from a single craft, and what it can be crafted in. So if we go to the wooden floor, I could add wood, or hold up, I have caps on. Okay, wood, and set the amount to 5. And if we go back in, you'll see that under the floor you need 5 wood. And I'm not making the data table in the in Unreal. It's I use Excel for that. So that's pretty much what I've done this week. It's a fairly short devlog, but I tried a new style. Let me know if you guys like this style of me commentating at the end of the 2 weeks and just recapping everything, or if you guys want me to like show the progress, like what I needed to, like how I completed these features and stuff. But yeah, that's it for this devlog. Let me know what you guys think of it, and I'll see you guys next time.